तेरे मम्मी पापा को मिला के कोई 11 लोगों को भेज चुका है मैं यमराज के पास। ये पूरा हिसाब लिखते हैं।
Most of the film-loving populace is particularly interested in the genre of suspense and mystery. A fair number of work in those genres have been about serial killers. Dark, gloomy, and occasionally glory, these films offer a unique cinematic experience. So this time, Mediahits came up with the top 10 suspense thriller serial killer movies of all the time. And here are some of the suspense thriller outstanding movies on serial killer that you must watch.
जितना हाथ पैर मारेगी उतनी तकलीफ होगी। प्यार से मरेगी तो प्यार से मारूंगा।
Number 10. Baz, A Bird in Danger.
अगर 24 घंटे के अंदर हमें रिजल्ट नहीं मिला तो मैं इसके उस पार जहां तुम खड़े हो कोई और खड़ा होगा।
कौन होगा कौन नहीं होगा कौन जानता, लेकिन होगा वो जो होना चाहिए।
In a small town, Nainital, the police is on the lookout for a serial killer. All the killer's targets are of astonishing beautiful young girls with an ulterior motive. Evidence found at the crime scenes are a dagger and a pair of rubber gloves. The three men under suspects are Mayor Jai Singh Dabral, DSP Harshvardhan, and a painter by profession Raj Singh. The problem is the police do not have evidence to incarcerate any of this.
कुछ नहीं होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा, दर्द नहीं होगा, थोड़ा सा दर्द होगा यार, नहीं दर्द नहीं होगा। Quiet.
Number 9. Murder 2.
क्या रे धीरज पांडे, सुना है तूने 7 औरतों का खून कर दिया?
जी सर।
क्यों? सिर्फ औरतों का ही खून क्यों?
दिल करता है फिर मैं मार देता हूँ।
A serial killer, Dheeraj Pandey, is on the loose who brutally murders women. Arjun Imran Hashmi, an ex-cop, is hired by a goon pimp for an unofficial assignment. Several hookers have gone missing under mysterious circumstances and Arjun has to trace their whereabouts.
क्यों? ताकि तू सजे धजे बाहर निकलेगी, मर्दों को फंसाएगी, साली अभी अंडे से निकली नहीं, साली धंधा करने चली है।
He finds out that all the missing girls were called by the same persons. When a new girl, Reshma Sulgana, is sent as back to catch hold of the culprit, she falls prey of the serial killer. Arjun knows the killer but doesn't have evidence. Now his girlfriend is the next target. Does Reshma come in Dheeraj Pandey's trap over again? Or does she escape? Is Arjun able to save Reshma or does she save herself? What happens to Arjun's girlfriend Priya? Murder 2 is the finest crime story ever made. It's a perfect entertainer. On the whole, the movie is the dark erotic thriller and intensely touchy.
बड़ी कमाल की चीज है तुम।
Number 8. एक विलन।
फिक्र मत कीजिए मैडम, आज के बाद आपको शिकायत का मौका नहीं मिलेगा।
Guru Siddharth is a gangster. His dark past haunts him incessantly. But as fate would have it, his life crosses paths with Aisha Shraddha. The cold-blooded murderer undergoes a stark transformation as love changes him completely. Just when the two were beginning to settle down into a happy, blissful married life, Aisha falls to prey a catastrophic event.
आयशा वर्मा, साई कृपा सोसाइटी, वर्सोवा, यही एड्रेस था ना उसका। जब मुझे पता चला कि वो मां बनने वाली है तो मुझे उतनी ही खुशी मिली जितना एक के साथ एक फ्री ऑफर मिलकर होती है। शैम्पू लो तो टिकिया फ्री, मां की जान लो तो बेटा या पिटिया फ्री।
Guru is lost without the love of his life and is determined to hunt down the culprit. Guru does find the miscreant Rakesh Ritesh but cannot understand the reason behind his psychopathic nature. Does Guru understand Rakesh's motives behind killing Aisha? Is this love story of a villain, a good guy turning villain, or a villain turning into a good guy? Too much of confusion.
प्लीज मुझे छोड़ दो, प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो, प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो, प्लीज मुझे माफ कर दो प्लीज।
Number 7. Red Rose.
एक बात पूछना चाहती हूँ आपसे।
पूछो।
वो मुझसे पहले भी इस घर में कोई थी?
किसने कहा?
वो पड़ोस के बच्चे कह रहे थे।
पड़ोस के बच्चे यहाँ कैसे आए?
Anand lives a wealthy lifestyle in Bombay in a palatial house and runs a business Export India. While shopping at Roop Sagar clothing store, he meets one of the sales clerk Sharda and falls in love with her. Shortly thereafter, he proposes to her and she accepts, and both marry at the Registrar of Marriages. Sharda is shown around Anand's house and the guest house which houses his ex-victim father. Sharda soon settle in, establish a Devi Ma Durga Mandir, but will find her life turning upside down when she discovers a deadly secret from Anand's past.
Wait until dark. शाम ढलने दो, तुम्हें भी पता चल जाएगा हमारा खेल।
Number 6. Samay. When the time strikes.
इसका मतलब ये है जेंटलमैन कि ये एक सीरियल किलर है।
सीरियल किलर?
Samay When the Time Strikes is a psychological thriller about a serial killer, Jackie Shroff, who murders his victim at a certain time and makes sure that the hands of his slain victim show the time of murder. ACP Malvika Chauhan, Shushmita Sen, in charge of the case, does everything in her power to capture the killer, but is unaware that the killer is actually targeting her. ACP Chauhan finds just one similarity among all the victims. As Malvika delves ever deeper into the details of the case, it quickly becomes apparent that the person responsible for the murder isn't the work of your typical psycho. Every detail has been announced for, and every trace of evidence skillfully covered.
खेल खत्म हो चुका है आमोद। 3 खून करने के बाद अब
एक मिनट 3 नहीं 5।
5?
मैं 5 खून की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेता हूँ।
Number 5. दुश्मन.
तू जानती नहीं कि तेरा किससे पाला पड़ा है। मैंने तेरे जैसी बहुतों को ठीक किया है। तेरी तो किस्मत अच्छी थी कि तू अब तक मरी नहीं। अगर तू बाज नहीं आई ना, तो मैं तेरा भी वही हाल करूंगा जो मैंने औरों का किया है।
A ruthless killer is around who mercilessly rape and kill his female victims. When the killer does the same to Sonia Sehgal, Naina, Sonia's twin sister, decided to take a stand at the risk of her own life by conducting an extensive investigation to ascertain information about the killer. She does manage to gather his whereabouts and name, Gokul. She sought assistance from a blind ex-military officer, Major Suraj Singh Rathore, who is preparing her to combat Gokul. When this enemy finally confronts her, what happens? Does she manage to get justice for her twin or become another victim to this serial killer?
कानून के ऊपर भरोसा रखिएगा माता जी। नैना जी, कानून के हाथ बहुत लंबे होते हैं। देखिएगा एक दिन असली मुजरिम जरूर पकड़ा जाएगा। मुझे बहुत अफसोस है कि उस दिन आप अपनी बहन के साथ नहीं थे, वरना कसम बोलेगी दुगना मजा आता।
Number 4. संघर्ष.
जानता है, जब मैं 11 साल का था ना, तब पहली बार यमराज मुझे लेने आना चाहता था। पता है मैंने क्या किया? मैंने उसका वाहन ही उससे छीन लिया। एक तबेले में घुस के मैंने अपने गंडासे से 11 काले भैंसों को काट डाला।
Police in India are baffled over the case of missing children, whose bodies are later found dead. The case is assigned to CBI officer Reet Oberoi Preeti Zinta. Through extensive investigation, Reet finds that the assailant is Lajja Shankar Pandey, Ashutosh Rana, a serial killer's religious fanatic. In order to get more information about Pandey and his behavior, Reet interviews and then seek the help of the jail convict Professor Aman Verma, Akshay Kumar. And because of this unconventional approach, the only child of the Home Minister is abducted by Pandey. And Reet is asked to let go of this investigation.
जो इंसान पैदा होता है उसे मरना ही पड़ता है। मैं इंसान नहीं हूँ। ये जीवन मरण तुझ जैसे तुच्छ प्राणियों की जिंदगी का हिस्सा है।
Number 3. The Stoneman Murders.
हेलो।
एक और मर्डर हो गया है। संजय, सटम बोल रहा हूँ, एक और मर्डर हो गया है। देख ले, मैं रखता हूँ।
हाँ सर।
Back in the early 80s, a series of brutal murders held Bombay in thrall. The victims were all female dwellers, killed in their sleep with the same weapon. A big heavy stone was used to smash their heads. Sanjay Shelar, KK Menon is hot-headed, dead against crime kind of policeman. He does not get along with Kedar's Arbaz Khan's another police officer. Due to some event, Sanjay gets suspended, leaving the Patharmar case under Kedar's charge. But his senior Satam, Vikram Gokhale, unofficially lets Sanjay continue his investigation and try to save his job. The Stoneman Murders reveals the horrifying secret, like a proper murder mystery should. Right at the end, the narrative is linear and non-fuzzy. The storytelling direct, peppered with some truly chilling moments.
सर, ये जो भी हत्यारा है ना, ये फिर से हमला करेगा। That's all.
Number 2. Raman Raghav 2.0.
तू क्या नाम है तेरा? पॉकेट। छोटा है ना तो पॉकेट। कोई पूछेगा काय को मारा तुझे, तो मैं बोलेगा आपने तो पॉकेट मारो बस।
The story revolves around a psycho-thriller Raman Ramazuddin Siddiqui, who brutally murders people on the streets of Mumbai with an iron rod. Raghav Vicky Kaushal plays the cop in charge of hunting down Raman. However, Raghav's character is not your typical just cop. He is a short-tempered guy who is addicted to drugs and remains on his own trip throughout the film. He spends quality time with his friend Simi Shobita. Things take a turn for the worse when Raghav accidentally kills Simi. Meanwhile, Raman starts triggering Raghav to catch him by leaving his trail of breadcrumbs. It is not too long after this that the complicated mystery unravels. Overall, this movie gave me a unique movie-going experience and helped me to understand the psychology of a serial killer.
अरे कोई है? और गुंगा द्वारा हो गया क्या सब? और निकालो मुझे यहाँ से, निकालो मुझे यहाँ से, निकालिएगा।
Number 1. Con. Con is the classic Who is the Murderer. Urmila is alone in her house on a rainy night. The TV news warns that a serial killer is on the prowl. Suddenly, Manoj Bajpayee knocks the door. She is scared, but he manages to convince her to let him in.
कहीं आपको ऐसा तो नहीं लगा कि मैं आपको मारने आ रहा था?
After entering the house, he behaves weirdly. He has a sinister look and she senses that Bajpayee is the psychopath. Horrified, she tries to escape, but then Sushant appears. He too enters the home. The terrified Urmila, with two strangers in her home, does not know whom to trust, while Sushant and Bajpayee assumes the other as the serial killer. The shocked Urmila, now a prisoner in her own house, wait for a brutal death. It's the ending which truly astounds the viewer, the hallmark of the true classic. There are two corpses and one murderer, the serial killer.
हेलो मामा, यहाँ पे घर में दो लोग घुस आए हैं। मैं ठीक हूँ मामा, आप जल्दी से फोन कीजिए पुलिस को। हाँ, और पुलिस को जल्दी यहाँ पे आने को बोलिए मामा। मैं ठीक हूँ मामा, अभी प्लीज आप जल्दी फोन करना। हाँ।
Thank you, man. Thank you.
We have done with this time countdown. If you think that we have missed something, you can give your feedback and suggestion on our comment section. This section is all yours. And if you like this video, please hit on like button, and for more videos and updates, please subscribe to our channel Media Hits.
फिक्र मत कीजिए मैडम, आज के बाद आपको शिकायत का मौका नहीं मिलेगा।
अच्छा।